If you want to post a pin on Pinterest, then here's what you're going to do. First, from your Pinterest.com dashboard, you're just going to head over to the top right corner of your screen for right here in your profile. Just click on that. And then from there, you're going to click on create and then just choose pin right here. Now from there, we're just going to click on this box right here where we can choose a fellow, drag and drop it here. And then we're also going to choose a photo from there. We're going to click on open and then we're going to add a title, description, link, a board where you want to add this to, and then you can also do tag topics that you want. You can add products if you want, and then you have more options right here. You can allow people to comment, or you can also show similar products from there, or if you want to add alternative text to your visual, then you can do so. After you have altered all of these details, you can just click on publish right here and it will be published into your account. And that's it. That is how you can post a pin on Pinterest. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.